Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the unboxing of Hallowes Eve. It is one of the new releases from Fancy Pants Designs. This is the unboxing video, and then following this one, I will post my first project using this collection, and then stay tuned for one more project in the month of October using Hallowes Eve in my memory keeping. This clearly has a Halloween fall theme, so I am using it in the month of October, and it's actually really cute. I love the colors actually too, because they have like a mint and dark green with a classic orange and black, so it's really nice. So this overall will show you the color schemes. So the greens is really where I'm at, loving it. Of course, the classic orange and the yellow. We have the foam thickers, so it's kind of like this scripty brush letter, which I also find really good. Almost like it's like, yeah, like almost like a dried out marker. Really whimsy. I love these icons right down there. Witch potions, costumes. So you can already kind of see the icons. So you got some sort of whimsy kind of ones, and then some of like the creepy ones with snakes and bats and stuff. Like that's a realistic bat for sure. And some moths. Wait till dark. Then the sticker book, icons, alphas, tags, and some sentiment words. So here are your icons. Love all of those. There are the alphas, little word phrases, more icons, and there are the tags. For the die cuts, there's probably a lot in there. So we have 124 pieces. You can see it's a mix always of the icons, tags, and just layerable pieces. Ooh, and there's a lot of stars. So let's get you zoomed in so that you can see what is in it. So those are all there. Sorry, there we go. The icons, those all kind of look the same. Yeah. Oh, there's the little guy. I like him. There's that tags, the sentiments, that very similar to the sticker book. So if you get one, you might not need both, but if you get both, then you can layer a whole lot more. You know. So hopefully everything you can see. There's a little snake, some more. Oh, and what's this one? Oh, another snake. Yeah, okay. So that is the die cut pack. And then let me bring over on top of that, I'll just leave that there for now, the papers. So the papers, remember you get two sheets of each, but that way you don't have to choose between front and back. You already have both of them. So this one is a repeating damask and moth, and then this vintage vibe with this. These framelets, I can see those getting cut out, and then a repeating pattern on both halves. Very interesting. I might actually like that one for my project. Okay. Then we have skeleton and bats, spiders and bugs. Oh, and then the classic black and white stripe. I will definitely be using this side. Here are the fun icons. I just love the pumpkin with the little hat. The pumpkins are cute. I can get down with these pumpkins. Oh, and then a beautiful kind of really detailed tone-on-tone green. But maybe these cut out could be even more ephemera. A vintage witch, and again, cut out cards, maybe for some collage. And then like old book paper. I like those cutouts too. And then finally the 12 by 12 sticker sheet with the same kind of, you know, tags and icons for the collection. And remember the scattering of stars from the die cut pack, the tiny word phrase stickers, that bat. Here's my favorite little guy right there. What a cutie. Yeah. Okay, so that is Hallowes Eve. This is available at fancypants.com, but I am sure you can also find it at the retailers like Cherry on Top and scrapbook.com. And maybe near a Cross scrapbook store if you're lucky to have one near you. So that is the one I'll be playing with for October. Thank you for joining. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.